Hello subscriber. Today we are discussing about the hands tool. What is a hand tool? And we are also discuss about the hand tool safety, and also we discuss about the hand tool for use. So I am clearly explaining about. Before I starting our topic, please subscribe my channel to get the more videos like this and also discuss about the technical things. So we are first. I have clearly explained about the hand tool. A tool held in a hand and operate without electricity or other power. A hand tool is any tool that is powered by a hand rather than a motor, or a category of a hand tool includes the wrench, plier, cutter, file, striking straps, and hammer tool, screwdrivers, and etc. What is a hand tool safety? Always carry a pointed tool by your side within a point and the heavy ends down. Secure all small work and short work with a vise or a clamp. Never carry tools in your pockets, and don't use a tool which are closed or cracked, loose or cracked. Keep your punches or a chisel in a good condition. Four rules of four. What are a four general tool rules? Carry all sharp tools in a sheath or a holster. Use the hammer for pulling nails and for driving nails. Use the bushes or a vacuum machinery to remove the metal chips and shaving and other debris within the drill tables. Keep control of a saw by releasing downward pressure at the end of the strokes. Our special focus on a hand tool is a needle nose plier. A good set of a needle nose plier is indivisible for an electrician and can packs both. Makes a very good set with a built-in wire cutters and even steeping holes for wires. Both of wires are handy options. Needle nose pliers for electrician should also have a wire cutter option. The Nipex set also includes the crampers for a ferry rules. Means our needle nose plus helps to electrician more in a during the work. Means you have clearly explained in this video that the every tool have any importance or that rule has been clearly explained about the proper tool at a proper place. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep support to the technical engineering. Thanks.